Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy, where your trading journey becomes smarter and more profitable. Today's topic: which is better for trading, 1 hour, 3 hours, or 8 hours daily? Let's break it down based on your availability. If you have 1 hour daily, focus on swing trading or position trading. Use higher time frames, 4H daily. Set alerts and pending orders. Prepare your analysis before the session. Best for people with full-time jobs or other priorities. If you have 3 hours daily, perfect for part-time day traders. Choose a specific session, e.g. London or New York. Work with 15-minute to 1 hour charts. Focus on 1-2 assets. Maintain strict discipline to avoid overtrading. If you have 8 hours daily, ideal for full-time professional traders, can engage in scalping, intraday trading, news trading, deeper focus on fundamentals, technicals, and emotional control. Multiple pairs and strategies can be used. Final thoughts: success in trading isn't about how much time you spend. It's about how wisely you use the time you have. Consistency, strategy, and discipline are the real game changers. Your turn. Comment below. How much time do you dedicate to trading every day, and why? Let's learn together at Mukhlis Trading Academy. Like, comment, share, subscribe Mukhlis Trading Academy.